Are you discouraged, demotivated, and feels it's end of the world because you didn't get a seat in MBBS? Then this video is for you. Watch till end. So first of all, there are so many other career options to become a doctor, and there is a trend in people's head that doctor is someone who saves your life in emergency conditions like heart attack or some accident that has happened, or someone who rushes and saves someone's life. Doctor is not just this, but doctor is also a healer who helps you to reduce your suffering, who helps you in your crisis time, say mentally, in every way, in day-to-day life. So there are so many other doctor fields that can help you to become a healer. So let's take step by step one of career option. BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental and Surgery. Many people mock that dentistry is not a doctor. Yes, why not? He is also a doctor. It Dentists, they reduce the suffering, and they are so important. So for example, bad smell from mouth or irregular teeth, bleeding from gums, bleeding teeth. So for example, this bad teeth, so many people, their mental things get affected, they fall into depression and so many negative thoughts, because just because their teeth are not aligned, they are not able to have a smile, they are not able to have a confidence life. This is just an example how dentistry or doctor is healing someone's mental condition also. And yes, he is a doctor, he is a healer too. Second, BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, this all are holistic science. And holistic science, as you know, government is pushing Ayush ministry, that is all of this BHMS, BAMS, BUMS, they treat you holistically. And so there's so much scope on in all this holistic science, especially in chronic diseases where the modern medicine has failed, especially in autoimmune diseases, allergic diseases, and so many other. If you go and ask some doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, homeopathic doctor, Unani doctor, you will see so many testimonials on internet, also in the clinics, also how they are making a difference in someone's life by their specialty. Then BPTS, there is physiotherapy. Yes, physiotherapy is also a lifesaver. It reduces your suffering. So whenever someone has an heart attack or someone has gone through heart surgery, these are the physiotherapists who will help you to recover more. There's sports injury, then there's say arthritis, there's back pain, knee pain. They and also respiratory. There is a field known as respiratory physiotherapist also. So when you are recovering from respiratory diseases, when phlegm is stuck in your lungs, physiotherapist doctor have so much scope. They are also healer. They are also a lifesaver. Then occupational therapist, they are also, they will give you exercises on day to day, on the basis of how your whole circular of day is there, and they will help you in all so many diseases. Then audiology, veterinary doctor. So yes, don't be disappointed if you are just not an MBBS doctor, but you have so many other options to become a doctor, to heal patients, and to seek so many blessings. Every doctor is respected doctor. Every doctor is renowned and best in his field. Just don't be into impression that MBBS will give you a secure future, or MBBS will give you a respected position in the society. It's not that. Just every field doctor, if you are a best doctor in your own field, you will be healer and you will be respected by all of them. And the main part, yes, all doctors who are best in their field, they earn a lot and they can make good amount of money. So yes, choose all, go through every one of them and see what your heart tells to become that. Thank you. Do like, subscribe, and share this to all the NEET aspirants, and see and keep smiling. Thank you so much.